Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use map plus lambda function in Excel. Okay, so here I have this price list and this is quantity list, and now I want to multiply row by row without dragging or without helping column. So how to do it? You have to just use equals to, then type map. Okay, then you have to select this row array, okay, or this column, then this column, then again what you have to do, you have to type comma, then you have to type lambda. Okay, now bracket open, then type p comma q comma p. If you want to multiply it, what you have to do, p into q. If you want to plus or sum, you have to type p plus q. Okay, if you want to divide, p divided by q, then bracket close, again bracket close. So like this you can use map plus lambda function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.